All right, everybody. Hey, I wanted to pop on just for a couple minutes and kind of show you the power of this scanner. So, sometimes folks love the scalping strategy. Some folks like bigger moves, more intraday trading, etc. But the power of the scalping strategies is that there are longer, bigger moves that you can get if you kind of know how to trail your stop loss. And of course, we teach that inside of our trading community. But I wanted to show you this move that some members took. So this is GBP AUD. And as you can see, trend and strength are really good. Everything is aligned on the time frames, 1 minute to 1 hour, including the 4 hour and the daily. But for the 1 minute chart or the 5 minute, you just need the 1 hour to the 1 minute to 1 hour, okay? Then step two, I'm going to try not to sneeze, is a macro trend. Now, this is back in about 8:52 in the morning, okay? So obviously the arrows on the 1 minute don't go that far back because obviously I'm doing this video at 1:30 in the afternoon, but you're going to have to trust me on this one, okay? And you'll see because clearly there's a pullback, which is step three. So this is step two. You get the macro, which is still the current macro. Step three, you get a pullback here. So I guarantee you there are 4 red arrows, right, reversing on a pullback. And then step four, the final step, is you get in on the first blue one back with trend. So probably not this one with this wick. It was probably this one or this one. Either way, it does not matter. So then look at this move, right? And then look at this move, okay? So you went from down here, let's go to this one, okay? 1.96705, okay? So 96,705, and let's go up to its highest point, because now it's kind of consolidating, but still trending up. We're going to go all the way up here. And here's another pullback, right? Because that's how the market moves. So let's just go to this blue one. 197,138. Okay? Boom. All right? So that is not just a 2-pip scalp. Okay? Scalping sometimes has a bad connotation. But the reason we do this, the reason we teach you first, even if you're not a big scalping fan, is you're going to get familiar with this. So we want you to understand how the impulse scanner works. So if you want a 71 Bollinger Band breach, you want smart money, we even have a couple different entry models, boom. This scanner is a powerful, powerful tool. And each arrow here, before it paints, takes into 50 market variables. Yep, I said it right. 50. Come on. It's night and day, all right? If you're interested in reaching me about how to get access to this amazing piece of software, reach me. You can reach me.